Hi, I'm Zoe from Flat Out International. I'm just going to show you how to reassemble your end fitting if it's sprung apart. I'll actually pull mine apart here. All you ever need is a small screwdriver with a flat head. Now I'm holding it together with my hand here because if I open this without pressure here, then it'll all spring apart, and I'm also working over fabric so that the ball bearings, when they fall out, don't roll everywhere. So this is how it comes apart. You may have lost some ball bearings or bits and pieces. We can post you replacements. Try and hold on to these bits, they're a bit harder to post, and these ones have come in different sizes over time. Putting it back together, you might even have wanted to do this because maybe over time some rust has built up. You get some WD-40, you can clean all this, this out here. It is stainless steel, but stainless steel can still rust. Yeah, so give it a good scrub and some WD-40, and then when you put it back together, now 2 tricks. One that can make this easier if you're not super handy is a second pair of hands. The other is when you put it on, so just put the spring around first, and you'll notice you can turn, and now the lower hole is for the grub screw, but the higher holes, once I've got my spring in position, when I get that, there we go. You just rotate it around, pinch it, drop a ball bearing in, 1, 2, my grub screw hole, 3. Like I said, that little bit there is a bit easier if you've got the second person. Then I've just got to drop my grub screw back in. If you've got Loctite, drop some Loctite into there as well, just to hold it in place for next time. And then wind her back together, make it nice and tight. There you go. You'll see that this hole is slightly closer to the edge than this one is, a little lower down, and it's smaller. That's the grub screw hole, that's the one that's got the thread on it, and these larger ones here are where the ball bearings fall in. So they're the ones that you spin around and drop the ball bearing into, but then that's the smaller one there. You can kind of see the thread if you know, when you're working on it closer. You can see that thread, that's where the grub screw goes in.